The night was pitch black, save for the eerie glow of distant explosions illuminating the horizon. Sergeant Sarah Chen crouched behind a crumbling wall, her heart pounding as she clutched her rifle. The enemy was advancing and her team was outgunned. Just as hope seemed lost, a low hum filled the air. Chen's eyes widened as she saw them, sleek, shadowy forms gliding silently through the darkness. The cavalry had arrived, but not in any form she'd ever seen before. The year was 2025, and warfare had changed forever. As the mysterious objects drew closer, Chen realized they were the military's newest weapon, the Lanius combat drones. No larger than a dinner plate, these AI-powered machines moved with uncanny precision, scanning the battlefield with advanced sensors. Suddenly they darted forward, weaving through the rubble at incredible speeds. Explosions erupted among the enemy lines as the Lanius drones deployed their lethal payloads with surgical accuracy. Chen and her squad watched in awe as the tide of battle shifted in mere moments. But the Lanius was just the beginning. A low whistle caught her attention, and she turned to see a soldier activating a small device on his chest. In an instant, the point-blank personal defense system sprang to life, enveloping him in a protective force field. Enemy fire ricocheted harmlessly off the energy barrier as he advanced. As dawn broke, Chen marveled at the array of futuristic weaponry now at their disposal. Soldiers wielding rifles equipped with EOTech on-gun lasers picked off distant targets with pinpoint accuracy, the advanced optics guiding their shots with inhuman precision. Meanwhile, the thunderous roar of Rheinmetall's game-changer cannon echoed across the battlefield, its hypervelocity rounds decimating enemy armor as if it were tissue paper. But the most awe-inspiring sight was yet to come. As Chen's team regrouped, the sky darkened once more. This time, it wasn't explosions, but the massive form of the ghost ship descending from above. The vessel defied conventional physics, its unique hull design allowing it to slice through air and water with equal ease. Chen had heard rumors of its devastating firepower and unparalleled stealth capabilities, but seeing it in person left her speechless. As the Ghost unleashed a barrage of advanced missiles, obliterating the remaining enemy forces, Chen couldn't help but reflect on how rapidly warfare had evolved. The weapons surrounding her seemed like something out of science fiction, yet here they were, turning the tide of battle in ways she never thought possible. In the days that followed, Chen learned of even more incredible advancements. The Shield AI's autonomous combat drones worked in swarms, their collective intelligence outmaneuvering human opponents with ease. The Dassault Neuron, a stealth combat drone, prowled the skies unseen, striking critical targets before vanishing like a ghost. But perhaps most chilling was the whispered talk of hypersonic missiles, capable of striking anywhere on the globe within minutes. Chen had heard that even tech moguls like Elon Musk were involved in their development, pushing the boundaries of what was possible in modern warfare. As she stood amidst the rubble of the battlefield, surrounded by technology that seemed to belong to the future, Chen couldn't shake a sense of both awe and unease. The face of war had changed, becoming faster, more precise, and potentially more devastating than ever before. The weapons that had saved her life today could just as easily bring about unimaginable destruction tomorrow. As she watched the sun rise on a new era of combat, Chen wondered what the future held, and whether humanity was truly prepared for the awesome power it had unleashed.